how to add, edit, or delete a pipeline in Salestown CRM. Welcome back, Salestowners. Pipeline management, or we can say sales flow, is the process of managing a sales team's progress through the stages of the sales process. From initial contact to close, it enables sales teams to prioritize their efforts and focus on the stages to close more deals. By managing the sales pipeline, teams can better manage their resources and maximize their conversion rates. Users can streamline their sales process and quickly access customer data. Here, in this tutorial video, we will learn how to add, edit, or delete pipelines in Salestown CRM. Let's begin with adding a new pipeline. On the workboard window, click on the pipeline setting icon given next to the pipeline drop-down. It will land on the pipeline setting page. Here, click on the Add Pipeline button given in the left corner of the window. A new pipeline panel on the right side will appear where you can modify the name of the new pipeline. Next, click on the Save Changes button given in the right corner of the pipeline setting panel. A new pipeline will be added to your workboard. Now we will learn how to edit old pipelines. For this also, click on the pipeline setting icon on the workboard again. Pipeline setting panel will appear. Then click on the pipeline you want to edit, which is given below the pipeline setting panel. Next, on the right side of this setting panel, you can edit the pipeline name and then click on the Save Change button. The third thing to know is how to delete the pipeline. To delete the pipeline, first go to the pipeline setting panel. Next, click on the three-dot button given in the top right corner. Three options will be disclosed, including deleting one on the top. Click on the delete option, and then the software will ask for your assurance if you want to delete that particular pipeline. And if you change your mind, you can also cancel by clicking on the cancel button. And next, click on the Save Change button, which you have to click after making changes in the pipeline setting. The sales pipeline is a powerful tool that helps the sales team track, measure, and manage their sales process. Above all, it also provides a better understanding of what works and what does not in the sales process, allowing for adjustments to be made to improve performance. We hope this tutorial helps you to set up the pipeline in your CRM software. Now that you have learned the basics of pipeline setting, you can apply this process to any other similar projects you may encounter in the future. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit a bell icon, and press the like button. For any query, feel free to post in the comment section. Thank you and happy selling!